No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
If I find my way home, yeah. Wouldn't it be crazy? Don't you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Don't you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Don't you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy?
Hey YouTube, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack. I got a couple of recipes that I would love for you guys to try out. Yes, indeed. Please try out these recipes. All right, now the reason why I'm coming out here on this here video, it's a quick and simple video. I'm telling you, it's going to be like 20 seconds long, maybe a little longer. But anyway, the reason why I want to give huge shout out to three of my subscribers. When I came out and I made the chicken salad video, when I uploaded that last, they made some wonderful comments that I did take to heart. All right, I did a marination on that chicken, on the chicken breast, before I put it on the George Foreman, but the marination penetrated the outside of the meat, but it didn't go deep on the inside. Not as deep as I wanted it. But all three came up with some of the best solutions for me of getting marination or getting flavor inside of that meat. And I want to share these comments with you guys, all right? So the first one who I like to share with you, all right, his name is Toledo, and this is his comment. Check it out. The second person I like to share their comment with you guys, her name is Natalie Harris, and this is what she had to say. And Nat, I want to say thank you. Check it out. Last but not least, I want to thank my man Terry Russell for leaving a comment, and they all were awesome. So check out my man Terry Russell's comment. Here we go. Check him out. Okay, so I want to say thank you to all three of my subscribers for your advice. I want to say thank you so much to all three of my subscribers for leaving a wonderful and excellent comment. See, this is the thing that I love so much, when I have people like you guys that's going to stand in my corner and tell me exactly what I need to hear. So I want to say thank you so much, and I'm going to be doing more videos like this because I want to also give tribute to my subscribers, because if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't do the things that I'm doing right now. So I always say that at the end of all of my videos: love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.